Hi, I'm Professor Goins. Welcome to the Math Professor's YouTube channel. If you're looking for videos explaining topics in just about any college mathematics course, please consider subscribing, checking out our playlist, watching videos, liking, commenting, sharing those videos. Those are all really simple interactions that you can do that helps us grow, and therefore we would greatly appreciate it. Let's get into the current video. I want to take a look at finding the equation of a line passing through a pair of points. And there's two forms of equations of lines that you should be familiar with. One is called point-slope form, where if I give you a point, x1 comma y1, and the slope m, this right here, if I solve this for y, would give me the equation of that line. The second one, which is a special case, slope-intercept form. So in this case, the point is specifically the y-intercept, which is 0 comma b. If I have the slope of m and the y-intercept b, this right here would be the equation of my line. Let's take a look at a couple examples. Let's say I want to find the equation of the line passing through the point 1 comma 3 and then 4 comma 9. Okay? So find the equation of the line passing through those 2 points. Well, which one is most applicable? Well, I do not have the y-intercept. Therefore, what I'll choose is to use the point-slope form. All right. Well, now, if I look at point-slope form, what do I need? I need two things. I need the slope and a point. Well, I'm given 2 points, and it doesn't matter what point I use, so I can pick one of those and go with it. The only thing I don't have that I'm going to need is the slope. Now, remember that the slope of a line is given by rise over run. Said differently, it's the change in y over the change in x. So this is a little bit more of a formal notation. It's just the difference of the y's divided by the difference of the x's. If I take the difference of the y's, I get 9 minus 3 divided by 4 minus 1. That would give me 6 over 3. Before I simplify that, what that means is from the point 1, 3, we went horizontally 3 units, and then we went up 6 units to get to the next point. Or I went up 6 units and then over 3, so rise over the run. And then, of course, this would reduce to be 2, meaning between any pair of points, or between, if my input increases by 1, then my output increases by 2. So over 1 up 2, over 1 up 2, so on and so forth. All right, well, now I can go ahead and use this formula here. So I've got y minus 3, so remember it's y minus a y value, so I'm going to use the 0.13, so the y value is 3, is equal to 2 times x minus a x value, so I have to use the corresponding x value, which is 1. Don't mix up the points and use, say, 3 and 4 or 9 and 1. You have to use the points, the coordinates from the same point, so therefore I have to use 1 here, and then solve this equation for y. Y minus 3 would be, if I distribute 2 through that, I get 2x minus 2, add 3, I get y is 2x plus 1, and this would be the equation of that line. Okay. Let's look at another example. Next example, let's use the points 2, 5, and 6, 5. Once again, what I don't have is my slope, therefore it's compute it. Slope would be the rise over the run. All right. Well, between those 2 points, how far did I run? In other words, what is the horizontal distance going from this point to this point? That'd be from 2, I went 4 units to get to 6. Or in other words, we could say 6 minus 2. How much over that same, between those 2 points, how much did the y values change? Well, that'd be 5 minus 5, which we can see that the y values did not change. This gives me 0 over 4. And of course, 0 divided by any number is 0. My slope is 0. All right, now if I go to my point-slope form, I get, again, let's use this point over here, the 6, 5. Y minus a y value, so 5, is equal to the slope times x minus the x value. Of course, 0 times anything is 0. And if I add 5, I get y is equal to 5. And this equation right here gives me a horizontal line where every single y value is 5. Okay? Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing.